Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Food Alchemists On Air. Today I have the pleasure to be in a different place. We are in Polica, the house of the Mediterranean diet. Today we prepare a recipe that again is linked to the medium post. Paco reflect around sprouted grains, germinated grains, and the enzymatic potential that there is behind this kind of raw material. For example, today we are going to take that advantage in order to reduce the amount of sugar that we add within sweet recipes. We are using this germinated corn flour that is slightly sweet, so we are going to avoid the use of sugar. We are going to just add a little bit of honey, but not too much, just a little. And also we will take the advantage of the sweetness from peaches, Italian peaches. We are in Italy, so let's continue using local products and also always creating a good impact not just in our health but also in the environment that surrounds us. I will finish this recipe with a little bit of lemon thyme. It's a kind of thyme that we can find also here in Italy, really fragrant, it's lemony somehow. And what else? In order to add some crunchiness, I will use also this granola. I don't know if I mentioned this, but the germinated corn flour again we're going to use it to create somehow like a muffin. So the muffin, peaches on top, caramelized by themselves, the granola and lemon thyme on top. Let's start. As usual, I will leave you all the ingredients in the description. Crack one egg and place it within a bowl. Then we are going to lightly whip it. For one egg, we are gonna add 2 cups of germinated corn flour. Add also a pinch of salt and baking powder. 1/4 cup of olive oil. 1/4 cup of water, warm water, and a spoon of honey. Please, in this case, Italian honey. Mix it properly till get an homogeneous texture. Now we are gonna leave it setting for 4-5 minutes. Take a piece of oven paper and soak it with water. Then use a muffin mold, a metal cup of whatever you want to place your dough within it. Please, first of all, add also a little bit of olive oil to make sure your dough, your muffin doesn't get stick to the surface of your mold. Fill your mold till get 2/3 of its capacity. And now it's time to place it in the oven 200 degrees Celsius for around 12-15 minutes. While your muffins are in the oven, slice a couple of peaches and then we are gonna slightly caramelize them with their own sugars, of course, and finally we are gonna add also a little bit of lemon juice in order to make it finer. Our muffin is ready, so leave it chilling for around half an hour so we make sure it is cold enough to plate it. I've taken it out from the mold and turned it so you can see a really nice rounded shape, and now I'm gonna carefully place my slices of grilled peaches, caramelized peaches on top, creating kind of a flower. Place some crunchy granola on top, that by the way we did at the lab, and it's made out of germinated seeds. Now a little bit of thyme, lemon thyme, and also part of their own flowers. And we are almost ready to go. Alright, so here is our muffin cake, our germinated corn muffin. It's more, I made it so big, so it's more like a cake. Then we finish it with our grilled peaches, and also some granola and the lemon thyme that I commented before. To give the cinnamon touch that we are missing, because normally in this kind of recipes there is also a little bit of cinnamon, I'm gonna add this. There is a distillation, water distillation called hydrolytes or hydrosols that we made at the lab with cinnamon. Okay, and it's really fragrant. It's giving that punch of aroma. So this is our final dish using the power of the enzymatic revolution. See you in the next episode.